My name is Miss Kelsey, and today I'm going to show you how to make Power to Play trail mix. For today's Power to Play trail mix, I am using pretzels, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and a whole grain honey oat cereal. Now this recipe is really easy for you to customize and to switch out ingredients that you enjoy most. So for example, if you don't like dried cranberries, but you really enjoy dried pineapple or dried mango instead, you can add those. If you don't really like pretzels, but you have a favorite different type of whole grain cracker that you enjoy, you can swap that out. Instead of pumpkin seeds, you could do peanuts or almonds or cashews, and any type of whole grain cereal will really work well in this trail mix. So after you have all your ingredients picked out, and you can add more than what I have here, but I'm just doing a small trail mix today, you just add it to a bowl and mix it all together, and then you can store it in an airtight container or in individual baggies for later. Thanks for joining along. I hope you enjoyed this healthy snack. See you next time.